It's your boy HairLyfeYanni, back at you with another video. So guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to zero gap the Babyliss trimmers. It doesn't matter which trimmer it is. It could be the gold FX, the silver FX like I have here, the rose gold, the custom FX, any Babyliss trimmer you can zero gap the exact same way. And here, this is a silver FX, but it doesn't have the regular 2.0 blade because I ended up dropping my clipper. I broke the blade pretty much, and ended up getting a new one. Ended up getting a gold FX blade. Dropped that one as well. I know I need to take better care of my clippers. I know. But I just got this one in. This is the graphite, the fine tooth, the FX 707B. And so far so good. The only thing is, when you're zero gapping it, you have to really get it perfect. Because if not, it'll cut too much, like it'll cut your clients, or it won't cut enough to the point where it's dragging on the skin. So, with that being said, your trimmer should have came with one of these. And it brings a little screwdriver as well. This is the zero gap tool that Babyliss sends you. Okay? So I'm going to show you exactly where my blade is set. If you guys can see it. Okay. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, and keep in mind, a lot of people do it their own way. So, but this is the way that works for me, and it works best for me. So first, you're gonna get the little screwdriver and put it inside of these two screws. You're gonna loosen both the screws. I don't know why they put the screws in an awkward position for you to kind of get in there. Sometimes it is a little awkward, you know. And there we go. It's a little tight. Okay. So now that it's loose, I'm gonna get the zero gapping tool, which is gonna go on this blade, the outside blade. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide it with this part out. Little difficulty there, but alright, and it should look like this. Okay. Now, when you push this up, it's gonna push the cutting blade over past the steel blade. Let me see if you guys can see it there. Okay. Okay. So what you're gonna do is, a lot of people like to use the mirror or just like a flat surface where you could press down. But me personally, I do like using the mirror or a flat surface, but it's like it doesn't push it under the steel blade. That's how I feel, and to the point where the blade would just be cutting. So pretty much how I do it is I eyeball it. I eyeball it and try to get it as close as I can, but not that the blade is sticking out over the other blade. Let's see. Let's try to get it here. Okay. Alright, and you gotta just make sure that blade is sticking that down a little. Alright, I think I got it to how I want it. I can kind of see a little bit of the teeth above the cutting blade. That way I know that it is under the steel blade, so it isn't over. Alright. 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 Put your finger kind of over top of the blade so it doesn't move when you're tightening it back up, because the blade will move out of position. Then just tighten all of your screws. Make sure they're all the way in, nice and tight. Make sure the blade didn't move out of your position that you wanted it. Then once you have it set, take the zero gapping tool off, and from there just test it either on yourself, on your skin. And this is hitting pretty good, guys. It's actually hitting really good. Like, you can feel it, but it's not like dragging on the skin, and it's not like burning or cutting the skin. So look at that, we got it to go on the first try, guys. Good job. I hope this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel. I have more videos coming soon. Maybe I'll show you how to zero gap some of the other clippers that I have. Okay? Thank you guys. This is Yanni, signing out.